Hello friends. In this video, I'll show you how you can use n8n or n8n to create a workflow to get YouTube data such as number of views, number of likes or comments count automatically and then store that data in a Google Sheet. So n8n has a free desktop app that you can download freely and use it for free. You can even host it for free, but you need to have some server. Okay, so this is a desktop app where I have built this workflow, right? So this is the YouTube node. Let me open that. So this node basically fetches data from a YouTube video. Okay, the video ID has been specified over here, and you also need to have credentials to access your YouTube API, right? And over here, this is the kind of data that you'll get. Okay, a few fields, and this particular field at the end, statistics, contains the important information such as views count, like count, number of comments, things like that. Okay, and here I have specified the statistics field that you can see over here in the output table. If you want, you can add other fields as well, such as content details, player details, recording details. Okay, the next node is a set node. So this node basically is required to or is used to modify the output data or output table from the previous node. So from the previous node we get data like this. Okay, so some of the fields are not of much use, but this particular field statistics is important for us because it contains some important information, right? So we will create a few attributes over here that you can see in the output table. So the first attribute that we have created is video ID that extracts the uh, this particular field value. This is nothing but the video ID. Okay, the next attribute is the views, that is nothing but the view count, okay, that we are extracting from this particular field statistics. Then we have the likes field or attribute that again is extracting the number of likes from this particular field statistics. Similarly, we have comments field, and finally we also have one field called timestamp. So basically this contains the uh, date as well as the time when the data is updated. Okay, and on the right side you'll see the final output table of this node. So in the end we have the timestamp column, and then we have comments column, likes column, and views column, and we also have the video ID column. The output of the set node goes to the Google Sheets node. Let's open it. So again, you need to have Google Sheets API credentials in order to access your Google Sheet. Okay, and here you have to specify the ID of the Google Sheet that you can find in the URL of the Google Sheet. And over here we have specified the kind of operation that you want to perform on the sheet. Okay, so basically I've selected append. It will simply add a new row or record to the Google Sheet, and this is the range of columns that you can specify. Okay, that you would like to update or put data in. And over here we have mentioned key row as 0. So this basically means the first row will be used to, or the first row will be used for headers, right? So once you have prepared this entire workflow, you can enable this uh, switch to activate your workflow. It will automatically fetch data from the YouTube API using this YouTube node and put that data after some modification using the set node in your Google Sheet. Okay, and here we have also used a cron node. So basically this schedules the entire workflow at a minute level. Okay, you can also schedule it at hourly level, daily level, weekly level, or even at monthly level. Okay, so this is our workflow of node mission. Now let me show you the Google Sheet where our data is getting uh, added automatically. So this is the sheet where the node mission is updating our data of the YouTube video that has this ID. So you can see the number of views, number of likes and comments, as well as the timestamp. And it's a really nice way to get data automatically, okay, from social media sites like YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, or even Facebook. And then once you have this data, you can use it for a variety of purpose. You can use it to build dashboards. You can use it to build some kind of an app or even a website, or you can also create a simple report for your own usage, right? So I hope you like this video, and if you have any query, feel free to connect. Thank you.